Welcome to a toy a day. It's the November blind box bundle. We got 10 toys. We're going to open 5 today. We're going to pick out our favorite. We're going to open 5 tomorrow. We'll pick out our favorite. And that'll be that. I haven't looked at them yet. I've seen a couple. And then they look kind of cool. We'll go through them. Back here I got the empty chair. The winner of the best one is going to go in the chair. Ooh, My Little Pony. Yep, My Little Pony. Hey, this one is Lucky 2, Milk Tutu. Hold your phone. Its legs come out. I actually have the cat ones. They're quite nice. Pool Fight, Laura. I have one of these. It's not the Pool Fight, but you know, one of the Laura series. Nice. Ooh, the monsters in space. Look at this guy. Got a bunch of them we can get there. That's nice. What's this? Jojo, Mr. Sea Otter. I like that. I like that. Ooh, these look pretty cool. And there's the hidden one. Alright, what do we got over here? Kenneth. Kenneth Art Classroom. Well, you got some big ears on these boys. Alright. What's this even say? Sosim World. Great Escape. Okay. I think that's a banana. That looks kind of cool. Or is it? I don't know. There's a face. There's a frog. I mean, there's an apple, so maybe that's a banana. Ooh, we got a Molly. My childhood. Somebody likes watermelon. Alright. I like Molly. And I think this is the last one. Last but not least. Vernon. I have one of these. I'm pretty sure I got, I think I got that one. I got one of like the pink colored ones. So, you know. Ooh, it's a sad toy. Let's open this one first. I'm pretty curious about, mainly the Banana Boy. I think I want that one. Why has that banana got a face? The apple doesn't have a face. The pineapple has sunglasses. Let's get Banana Boy. Ooh, that opened up nicely. That opened up very nice. We got Mr. Frog. I mean, that's probably my second one I wanted. Lime Frog. Ooh, look at the noise. Pretty cool. Kind of basic, you know, but his face is all red. He's been drinking a little bit. He's out in the rain with his boys in a frog costume. I'd go outside wearing something like that. That's cool. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's open My Little Pony, since, you know, let's pick out which one we want. We might as well just get the secret. If we're not gonna get the secret, you know, Cherry Blossom. I like those. Or Pearl Pinkie Pie. Ooh. Let's get that Pearl Pinkie Pie. Not too interested in My Little Pony, so, you know, don't really care. Look at that giant eyeball. Which one do we get here? Crystal Rarity. Alright. Ooh, sorry. Yeah, look at the crystals, you know. If someone watching likes My Little Pony, leave a comment. I'll send it to you. I don't care. I don't, you know, I don't necessarily want that. What now? What now? Oh, I didn't show this one off. What is this one? I guess we're just going to open this. They have a little stand. It's like a girl in different outfits. There's a cow. Alright. Hello, cute nut. That's kind of funny. Cute nut. Hello, cute nut. Alright, we're not going to open that one. We're opening this one. Which one are we going to get? We're going to get the green boy. Green boy. We did not get the green boy. We got, ooh, it has a little fuzzy tail. Tutu, milk tutu. Those little hearts. Ooh, I kind of like this. Its legs don't extend. I have my other one sitting right here. You know, it's this fat cat and its legs come out. Let's see how good this... Alright, that is pretty good. You know, I like that. Kind of do it like this. Kinda. Kinda. I think I like my cat a little better. But there's nothing wrong with this, other than it's kind of off-centered. Kinda off-centered. Which one was this one? Phone stand. I don't see... Oh, there's the very top one there. It just doesn't look like that, really. Alright, that's cool. You know, if somebody wants this one, let me know. I really got no use for another phone stand. What now? What now? Let's open this Kenneth. Let's open the Kenneth. No, did not make it. There we go. Pop Mart. Always nice. Oh, we didn't say which one we wanted. Ooh, I like the wooden sculpture. That one's kind of tight. Skateboarding one. Skateboarding one's pretty cool. I want that one. I want the skateboarder. Oh, that's cool looking. He's like on a... There he is. Paper folding. Ooh, coming with accessories. First one with accessories. Ooh, he gets one thing for each hand. Get on out of there. Hey, I got those out pretty easily. Alright, this one goes in this hand. Get in there. I feel like I need some tweezers or something. My hands are too big. Alright, well this one goes in this hand. I'll get that in there later. That wink is kind of weird looking. It's almost like he got poked in the eye. It's not really winking, you know? Something happened to his eye over here. He's flying on his little paper airplane, and something happened to him. Something flew into his eye. It got him. Because that is not a good wink. Alright, one more to go. One more to go. Which one should I do? Which one should I do? You know, you gotta do the Hello Cute Nut. Or we're gonna do Laura. We can't have Laura and Molly in the same video. And I like Molly more than I like Laura, so we're saving it for number 2. Did it. Did it. I teased the cute nut twice now. It's going to be the best toy for tomorrow. Ooh. I keep forgetting which one. Which one do we want? Pink flamingo. Oh, ooh, this one has a gun. What the hell? Ooh, so does that one. Sweet Sunny and Blue Striker have guns. Let's get the pink flamingo. Or the summer dots. What did we get here? Is it? Is it? Oh, it's one of the ones with the gun. Okay. Okay. We got the sun will shine for us. What the hell does that say? Summer Madness. Sweet Sunny. Oh, it has like nice little Laura tattoo on her leg. Let's get the little standout here. Let you know again, look. Laura, pool fighting. Laura. Who's Laura? Who cares? Getting this umbrella out. Getting this, I guess it would be a water gun. It's a pool fight. Not, you know, it's not a real gun. It's not a Space Invader phaser. Ooh. Damn, I actually have to put the strings in to like wrap this around her head or something. The hell is that? I am not going to do this right now. You could just imagine. What a complicated toy for really, like, you know, why do I have to do it? Why couldn't that just come assembled? It's knocking it down a level in my opinion. This should just be able to go whoop right on there. Hey, do I even need these? Yeah. Yeah, I do. Alright. That is, that's all 5 that I'm going to open today. Let's hit them with the black light. See how, ooh, her eyes look weird. Look at that. Ugh. We're going to hit them with the black light. See what they do. Oh yeah. Favorite for the day. Kind of forgot here. I already moved the lights. Frog Boy. Frog Boy is the best one I opened today. You know, second would be this thing. But Frog Boy, easy victor. Oh, ooh, look at Molly coming through over here. Look even better if it had those on there. Alright, Molly, do your thing. Oh shit, it's Laura. Sorry. Sorry, Laura. I just wish you were Molly. This thing's eyeball. Yeah, look. He's like, ah, my eye. I'm flying through the air. Nice. Nice. Phone stand. It's up for grabs. It has little hearts and stuff in it, you know. You might like it. Frog Boy, just enough to make it pop. Look at that. Look at that. Number 1. Number 1. My Little Pony, nothing. And he doesn't even, you know. There's nothing added to it. Let's clear the way here. Frog Boy. In the chair back there. Can't even see him. There you go. And that's going to do it for another episode of A Toy a Day. I'll see you tomorrow. And just remember that a toy a day keeps Adam Sandler away. I'll see you tomorrow.